Good morning, guys. It's Tuesday morning, and I wanted to take a few minutes to catch up with you and just kind of give you a brief update on what we'll be doing for the next couple weeks. Hope you had a great Easter weekend. First off, I wanted to talk about the acid-based projects. You guys did awesome on them. I mean, I truly enjoyed grading them. I was really impressed by the quality of the projects overall, and just fantastic job. So those are graded and entered. And for some of the topics in the acids and bases, I'll be revisiting those topics throughout the next few weeks with some different activities and different small experiments that I'll be doing to demonstrate some of the concepts from that. So we're not done with that because it really is important stuff, and I want to make sure that we, hit it a little bit more a few more times before we're done. All right, a couple things for this week. We're going to be starting the chapter 10, which is states of matter and phase changes. Pretty basic stuff. You guys know what the states of matter are, but because this is enriched chemistry, we do go a little bit more in depth and with a little greater detail with it. Today, I have assigned chapter 10 vocab, which is a Google Doc that you can type right on. I don't have all the vocab words from the chapter because we don't really need all of them, so I typed out the ones that you'll need. Tomorrow, there's a reading guide that you'll be completing over the first three chapters, or first three sections, rather, of chapter 10. And again, it's a Google Doc that you can type right in. The vocab is due by the end of the day today. And by the end of the day, as of now, I mean midnight, basically. And then the reading guide is due tomorrow by the end of the day. On Thursday, there's going to be a review quiz. Now, the review quizzes are actually going to be reviewing things that we've covered throughout the year. So balancing equations, writing chemical formulas, things like that. So you'll get 1 to 2 of those per week. They're only 10 to 15 questions, but they're really good ways to kind of go over some of the things that we've already covered. And then there will also be another short a short quiz on some of the states of matter stuff that we've covered throughout the beginning of this week as well. Okay, neither one of them will take you very long, so I feel comfortable giving you 2 of them on one day. And then on Friday, we're going to do a practice Zoom meeting. I will send out the links for that. And what I'd like to do is have 7th period, our Zoom meeting will be at 10 a.m. and 8th period, our Zoom meeting will be at 11 a.m. All right, and this will just be a good way to make sure everybody, if you haven't done a Zoom meeting yet, you can do it on your phone. They work very well with that. We don't really need to discuss too much, I think, from states of matter material. But when we get into the next couple chapters, which are the gas laws and stoichiometry, there's a decent amount of math involved. So this will, we'll probably need to do some Zoom meetings so that we can go over any questions you have with that. So that's what we'll be doing this week. I do want to thank you all for your patience, throughout the first few weeks of this online learning. It's a learning curve for us. This is completely new stuff for me. It's a new way of learning for you. And I want to commend all of you on how well you've adapted to it. I can tell you that, it's new stuff for me as well. And what I want to do is every week try to increase, the strategies that I'm able to provide for you. So that we're not doing the same thing again and again, but just be patient with me, please. I'm trying. And like I said, every week I'll try to do something new to keep this interesting and exciting for you. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to email me. If we need to talk about something you don't understand, please let me know that as well. Also, if there are technology issues that I need to be aware of that might make it, difficult for you to do some of these assignments, let me know about that as well. Otherwise, have a wonderful day. I will post another video within a day or two. And like I said, Friday, be ready for a Zoom meeting at 10. Hopefully you guys are getting up by 10. I'm sure that's probably pretty early for some of you. And 10 for 7th period and 11 o'clock for 8th period. Okay? Have a great day today. It looks like it might be somewhat sunny, at least right now. So get out and enjoy the day a little bit. Bye-bye.